Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a same train coming. Let's check it out. The same hoppers, but they're just moving the engine back. They're just turning the engine around. Hey. I love it. Now these bells are going really fast here. Alright, on to the next. Alright, on to the same hopper train. Roll it. Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We're at the Titusville Middle School. We got a OC&T grain hopper train. This is the same one. The same one we just saw a couple of videos ago. Let's check it out.